Hi, LeadGen team. This is Wasim Bashir. I'm the co-founder here at LeadGen. Today, I'm really excited to show you a new feature which we launched. It's UTMs. So now you can track UTMs by, you know, automagically. You don't have to configure anything. All you need to do is set them up once, and then it will automatically show up in your leads. So in order to make that work, you will see a new section in your LeadGen account called UTMs. And once you go in there, you will have the screen where you can define UTM scripts. So what this script does is you create it for a specific form, and then you add it to the head section of your website's template. So basically what that means is if somebody comes to your website, regardless of which page they begin their journey. So let's imagine they came through a blog post or they came through some campaign which you ran for a landing page. So regardless of how they landed onto your website, the script will capture those UTMs and it will store in the browser's storage. And the next time when they come, or maybe in the same journey, if they then fill out the form, the LeadGen form, LeadGen will then automatically capture those UTMs, preserving the UTMs from which they came to the website in the first place. So there's two ways of how we handle it, and I'll show you that in a second. So I'm going to show you a live example where this is our agency website, and this is one of the forms which we've embedded here, and I want to create a UTM script which will now capture UTMs for this particular form. So I will call it, let's say, landing page design UTM tracker, and I don't need a description, but I would select the right form, which is this one, Apex website landing page design, and I only have one variant, so I'm going to select that. And these are the two options which you will see as well. First one is first touch, and the second one is last touch. What do they mean? First touch is where, if imagine somebody comes to your website through a UTM campaign. Let's say you ran an email campaign and they came through the UTM source email. So there's obviously 5 different components of a UTM, let's say, tag. There's UTM source, medium, campaign, term, and content. And let's imagine they came through UTM source email. And if we have selected first touch, that means whatever value was set, for example, in this case, it was UTM email, UTM source email, that will be stored in the browser storage. And next time, even if they come maybe, in a separate session, that information will be stored. And even if they come with a different UTM, we will still use the first touch point of that particular visitor. But if you select last touch, that means even if they came initially from a different campaign, but now they have come through let's say a different UTM link, then we will use the last touch. So in this example, I'm going to use first touch, and then I'm going to, oh, I need to add a description. So this is a script for landing page on apextra.com. Okay, so I'm going to create this script. I'm going to copy this script, and then I'm going to go into Google Tag Manager. I've already defined like a tag title here, and I'm going to choose a custom HTML element. So I'm going to copy that there, and I'm going to apply it across all pages. So then it will just run across the entire website. So I'm going to publish it. So once that's done, then that means now the form which I have here, if I pass in UTM values here, I should be able to see UTMs come through. Let's do a quick test. So I'm going to add UTM. Let me actually copy this link to make sure that I'm defining the right URL. So I'm going to go quickly to UTM generator, and there's like a Google link where you can actually define this. So I'm going to copy this, paste my link, and I'm going to call this UTM source, let's say Facebook, and then campaign could be paid, medium could be paid, and name could be intro, and campaign term is, let's say, landing pages. So I'm going to copy this URL with all the UTMs, and then I'm going to go to this link, press enter. So imagine if somebody went through this either through their email or through a Facebook ad, and now I will aim to fill out this form. So there's basically an embedded form here, and I'm going to click, this is what I need. I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this, and let's just fill this in. and I'll just enter. I think that's enough. No, sorry. Oops. Okay, so that's actually a fake number. Please don't call that number. So if I click finish, and you'll notice obviously it goes to a thank you page. But now if I go back into LeadGen and find my form for which I've just filled out this lead, I'll see there was a form here. And now look at this, automagically we have UTM. So I'm really excited to roll this out today, and you should be able to see it. Please play with it. Let us know what you think of it, and good luck. Thank you.